If you want to use Redmi Note 14 Pro as a remote controller, first of all, you will have to start by opening all of your apps, and you will have to search for this application, Mi Remote. If you cannot find it, then you can download it from Google Play Store, for example, which is available here. Now, let's open this application for the first time, and as you can see, we have to accept terms and conditions, so click Agree, and right now click to Add Remote. Now select your device. In my case, I would like to set it up as my TV, and then you will have to search your TV brand. In my case, I've got LG. If you cannot find yours, you can swipe up and down on the list or simply search brands by using the search bar at the top. Now, you have to check if your TV is turned on or off. If it is off, you will have to turn it on and click on. And now all you have to do is just to point the remote at TV and then tap the buttons. So you will have to just grab your phone, point into your TV and click on the button. If the volume go up, select yes, but if it's not, select no and try the different configuration. As you can see, you can find up to 7 different configurations for the LG TV. And once actually volume up, you have to click yes, and now you can set name for your TV, select device name, and you can even add shortcut. So when you go back, let's go back, and we should actually get it on the home screen. Should be available right here. If it is not working, then we can just do this one more time. Let's go quickly through all of the settings, click yes, and now select paired. And as you can see right now, we got your remote controller, and you can simply adjust it. By clicking here, you can also show controls on the lock screen, for example, and here we can find some other things, like you can pin on the start page, you can pair again, fix buttons, add shortcut, should be available right now on the home screen. Yes, as you can see right now, we can get quick access into this remote controller.